Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to find your Trust Wallet BEP20 address. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in and can see your main wallet interface. This is where all your cryptocurrency balances are displayed. It's a straightforward process, and we will guide you through each step to ensure you can easily locate and use your BEP20 address for transactions. Let's get started right away. Next, you will need to select a BEP20 token from your asset list. Many tokens operate on the Binance Smart Chain, which uses the BEP20 standard. For example, you might choose BNB Smart Chain, also known as BNB Beacon Chain, or any other token you know is BEP20 compatible. Simply tap on the token to proceed to its individual details page. This action will open up more options for that specific asset. Once you are on the token's detail page, you will see several options. Look for the Receive button, which is usually positioned prominently alongside Send and Swap buttons. Tapping Receive will reveal your unique BEP20 wallet address for that specific token. This address is crucial for receiving funds into your Trust Wallet. It's a long string of alphanumeric characters, representing your digital mailbox. Finally, your BEP20 address will be clearly displayed, often accompanied by a QR code for easy scanning. Below the QR code, you will find the address in text format. Simply tap the Copy button to instantly save this address to your device's clipboard. You can then paste this copied address into any other application or share it with someone who needs to send you BEP20 tokens. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.